On Wednesday, some of the most sought-after celebrities attended Swiss jeweler Di Grisogono's annual Cannes Film Festival party. Located at Hotel du Capi d'en Roch in neighboring French city Antibes, this Cannes party is one celebrities love attending.
Cannes is always some exciting moment in every people's life, I think. It's beautiful woman, beautiful dresses, jewelry, nice people. It's just really great place to be.
Alec Baldwin, an American actor, arrived hand-in-hand with fiancée Hilaria Thomas. He's currently working on a documentary about Cannes. Chris Tucker, an American actor and comedian, shared his feelings about working with Robert De Niro on his upcoming film, The Silver Linings Playbook.
Oh, I loved it. Yeah, I got nervous. I was messing up some lines, and he was like, "It's okay. It's all right. Just do it again. Do it again." And I was like, "Okay."
Teo Cruz completed the event with a performance of his songs Hangover and Break Your Heart.
I'm only gonna break your